Roboute Guilliman, also known as the Avenging Sun, is the Primarch of the Ultramarines, an accomplished warlord and diplomat who ruled his own empire before rediscovery by the Emperor. Guilliman was unique among his brother's Primarchs in that he saw himself as not only a warrior but also a builder of civilizations. In addition to his leadership of the largest Space Marine Legion during the Great Crusade, Guilliman became renowned for his efforts to preserve the Imperium. In the aftermath of the devastating Horus Heresy, becoming Lord Commander of the Imperium, among his most noteworthy achievements is the authority of the Codex Astartes and the creation of the modern Imperial military structure. The Deathwing is the first company of the Dark Angel Space Marines chapter. The Deathwing is unique among the Space Marine chapters in that the entire company fights exclusively in Terminator armour. The company's armour is a bone white colour rather than the dark green of the majority of the chapter. The Deathwing is not solely a tactical formation. Promotion to the Deathwing also means that an individual is bestowed many of the darkest secrets of the chapter. The most closely guarded of these secrets is that of the betrayal of Luther and the Fallen and the subsequent fate of their Primarch Lion L. Johnson. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.